So about 3 days ago, Unsloth dropped a desktop app. There's a full written guide linked below with every command, so if you'd rather copy and paste than watch me type, go grab that first. What launched on August 11th is a native desktop app. Windows, Mac, Linux. It's free, it's open source, and it's built on Tori, so it's a real app on your machine rather than a browser tab in a costume. Now, one thing that tripped me up at first, there are 3 separate products with the Unsloth name on them. Unsloth Desktop is the app we're using today. Unsloth Studio is the browser-based WebUI. Same features, runs on localhost. And Unsloth Core is the Python package you install if you're writing your own training scripts. Windows install. There are 2 paths, and I want you on the first one. Path 1. Go to unsloth.ai/download, or straight to the GitHub releases page and grab the Windows EXE. The build I'm on right now is version 0.1.701. Beta. Let it install, open it. That's it. No Python, no virtual environment, no Docker. Path 2 is the PowerShell one-liner you've probably seen going around. It works, but know what you're getting. That command installs Unsloth Studio, the web UI. It does not install the desktop app. So if you ran it expecting this window and got a localhost tab instead, that's why. Both are good, they share almost everything, but they are not the same download. Both commands are written out in the article, so nobody has to squint at my terminal. Hardware. NVIDIA, AMD, Intel, and Mac chips all work, and it runs on CPU alone if you don't have a GPU. It'll just be slow. I'm running a Your GPU here with Your VRAM, gigs of VRAM, which is pretty middle of the road, and small and mid-size models are totally fine on it. First launch, you need a model. Click Model Hub up top, 2 tabs. On device is what you already have. Discover is everything on Hugging Face. Nice touch here. If you've already got GGUF files sitting on your drive from Ollama or LM Studio, Unsloth finds them on its own. You are not re-downloading 40 gigs of models you already own. If it misses a folder, you can point it at a custom directory in Settings. Hover over the model, click the Settings gear, and turn the context up before you load it. And this is the part I like. Unsloth auto-fits the GPU layers and the expert offloading to whatever number you picked. No more load it, watch it crash, drop the number, load it again. Set it, hit remember for this model, load, done. Which brings us to permissions. Same idea as Claude Code or Codex. You decide how much rope the model gets. Ask me before every single action. Or run everything in a sandbox and never touch my real files. Or full access. Go wild. I keep mine in the middle. Let it run tool calls, but ask me before anything high risk. That's been the sweet spot for the stuff I do. Web search is built in, and it's private. No API key, no monthly quota. Regular search runs while the model is still thinking, so it's pulling sources mid-reasoning instead of after. But deep research is the feature that got me. You type your question, flip on deep research, and it doesn't go searching straight away. It writes a plan first, and you can edit that plan. Documents. There's a local RAG system built in. You add files, it parses and embeds them, and then you just talk to them. It handles PDFs, Word docs, and tables. All of it stays on your machine. No telemetry, and the app runs fully offline if you want it to. If you work with documents you're not allowed to upload to a cloud service, that's the reason to care. Okay, my favorite feature. It's called Unsloth Start. You load a model in the app, open your project folder in a terminal, and run one command. Now Claude Code is running against your local model. Swap out the agent name and it does the same for Codex, Hermes, OpenCode, and OpenClaw. Training. There's a no-code training tab. Drop in a PDF, a CSV, a JSON file, or a Word doc, and Data Recipes builds a dataset out of it for you. Then pick LoRa, QLoRa, a full fine-tune, or reinforcement learning, and go. Text models, diffusion models, text-to-speech, embeddings. When it's done, you export to GGUF, NVFP4, FP8, whatever you need. I'm not covering training properly in this video. You can reach your local models from your phone. There's a free Cloudflare tunnel built in that gives you an HTTPS link. Please read this section of the article before you run it. While that link is live, anyone who has the link and your API key can use your machine and execute code on it. But that's the whole reason I switched. This is one app that covers all of it plus training, and I can go read the source myself. 70,000 stars on GitHub, free. The written guide with every Windows command is in the description. If you get stuck, drop the step number in the comments and I'll come help you out.